can be achieved by anyone. An okay life, an okay job, an okay relationship. Anyone can have this. If you want a great life, you must commit to leading a great life, to doing things the majority do not do, committing to the thinking like the minority, not like a majority. Here are some principles to live by for an abundant, happy, successful life. So before starting the video, make sure that you subscribe the channel. Let the countdown begins. The first principle to live by is that one day you will be gone. It might be in 50 years, it might be in 50 weeks, it might be next week, or even today. I don't know, you don't know, nobody's know. And rather than living in fear of this, we should embrace the fact that the life is short and unpredictable. Knowing to this, we must live fully today. It is not a recipe for recklessness rather than a recipe to give your all today. To give your very best today in everything you do. To give your greatest energy today in this day. To your family, to everyone you encounter today. It is a reminder for you to live your best self in each moment. What if they couldn't speak to you tomorrow? If, whatever if. What if you gone tomorrow? What will they speak to you? What can you do today that will lead a lasting positive memory in the lives of everyone you came in contact with? It is about to being a light-hearted, knowing that in the end, none of this stuff matters. The only thing that even matters is how you made others feel and how you felt in your own heart. It is about the knowing that these things can never go with you in the end. The spirit lives on, but the things they die with your physical bodies. Remembering that we are going to die in this greatest reminder we can have in our daily lives because it keeps us focused on what really important and what is real today. Principle second, there is nothing you cannot be, do or have. If there have been someone, even one person in this planet that has done it before, that means you can too. It doesn't mean it will be easy, but it does mean it is possible. As long as it is possible, you can work towards it. You can make a plan, learn what need to be done for live your craziest, most abundant life. A life most would consider impossible, but you know impossible breaks down state. I am possible. You know impossible broken down is simply the process making a plan and willing to work for that plan. Before leaving the video, make sure to subscribe our channel